Academics were really important to me since I'm studying education, and when I toured schools around Maine, I just felt instantly a great connection with the professors here. I met the director of education on my first tour here. She was super personable. She wanted to meet with me one-on-one. She already knew my name. She already knew what high school I was coming from, and the faculty here are just super welcoming and supportive to their students. It's a community that I couldn't find anywhere else. Our student-to-teacher ratio is super small. It's about 15-to-1 for every class. You're going to have a really close relationship with your professors, with your peers. Everybody here is going to know your name within like 5 days of being here, and it's just a place that I'm really proud to call my home. I'm actually entering practicum really early. As an internship for teaching, I'm gonna be able to be an assistant teacher at Erskine Academy, one-on-one with the director of education, Dr. Rybakova. This is a really exciting opportunity. It gets me into the teaching field a full year early. It's counting as my advanced field placement, and it's an opportunity that I wouldn't get anywhere else. Everything at Thomas helps you grow personally and professionally because the community is so supportive. We want you to join clubs. We want you to do community service. We want you to do our partnerships in the field. This is something that you can't find a lot of places. Our first year, for example, we have a LinkedIn account created through a first year experience course that we do. We have community partnerships, Thomas College Day of Giving, alumni and family weekend. Everything we do reaches out to the community, and it makes you a well-rounded person, prepared for your career, but also prepared to be in the real world. And that's something I'm really thankful for.